This 2014 Prius got catalytic converter stolen. So this is aftermarket replacement. Cheapy one, $120, $50 for the oxygen sensor because it's cut. Then there's this shield which is $150. And why would I put a shield on the aftermarket catalytic converter that's worth nothing? Because these dope heads, they can't tell difference at night. So the customer doesn't want this to happen again. And the factory one is like $2,000 and it's on a back order, the catalytic converter. Unbelievable. Let's check it out. Let's see the damage. Whoa! Look at this. It's not here. And then the oxygen sensor is ripped off. And all they do is just unbolt it from top. This aftermarket catalytic converter is made smaller diameter right here so it can fit into a cut pipe resonator, into a cut resonator. Right there. And then the bolts up there. They come with these, this aftermarket catalytic converter comes with these screws, but this is too, this thread is wrong. That's why I guess they give this one so you can screw it on top. So this way you cannot unscrew this easily, and I guess they made it that way for like an anti-theft. So you have to put a wrench above, what is this, 12, 11? You have to put a wrench above and then unscrew it. So we got the dormant bolts that will work. The bolts are gone, obviously. When they unscrew the catalytic converter, the bolts fall on the ground and it is gone. What the shield does, it buys you some time, and thieves usually will avoid your car when they see the shield. It looks like I needed to use the drill to install it. This prevents this aluminum piece from vibrating. See, these rivets are installed, and then the holes, gotta drill 2 holes here and here. On these two, there's a spacer. So what is my opinion about this shield? You can still get a blade and cut here, but you won't be able to get to the upper bolts and stuff. It's kind of flimsy, but I guess when you're trying to be a thief, you're not gonna have time to mess around with this. You're just gonna leave, and then they give you these stickers to put her in your car, and this just tells the thief that you got a shield, and you probably have the original catalytic converter, so they're really going to target you. And because they know what kind of shield it is, they know what kind of bit extension they need to remove this shield fast with a power tool, so they can get the catalytic converter faster. But to avoid that, to prevent that, I'm going to put some silicone inside of these so they can't put the tool in. And then if I need to be underneath here, I can use a metal pick and pick out the silicone out of the groove right there and use the tool. It's all good. It's all good, man. After 2 miles in freeway, this is the code that I'm getting. The aftermarket catalytic converter is junk. It's just fake. There's nothing in it. There's no precious metals in it, so it cannot do the job. That's why it's $120.